Hi everyone, it's James. I'm on board a cruise. I'm going to teach you what to say if you run into this kind of trouble. The toilet bowl water has overflown, as you can see, and I need that fixed right away. So let's call guest services. Call guest services at 6,000. Hi there, this is room D611, right? And I want to report a problem with my toilet. The water has overflown. We just got back from our day trip outside and wanted to use the washroom, and we were shocked the water has overflown. So can you get someone here to fix it? Thank you. Thanks. Bye. That's how to do it.